Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to format your laptop if you are selling your device and you want to clean the hard drive, clean all the files, deleting all the files and all the application that you have on Windows 11. So after that you can sell your Windows 11 PC or the laptop that you're using currently. So before doing that you must back up your data so then you can use your important data later. So let's start the video. First you just need to go to your start menu, then you can search for settings here. Just go to the settings and after that go to the system and scroll down and go to the recovery option. Then here you'll find the option called reset this PC. Click on reset PC, and if you want to remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings, because we're going to sell the laptop, so just click on this remove everything. And after that you can choose cloud download or local reinstall, which is going to reinstall the Windows from your device. So we're going to choose the local reinstall here, and after that you can see there's of the current settings is remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, but we want to clean the drive, so going to change the settings here. Click on this change settings and make sure to check this yes, because it's going to clean the drive. This may take hours, so if you have many files on your laptop, this will take some 1 to 2 hours to clean all the data from your drive. Delete files from all drives, yes, because we're going to sell our laptop. Check mark also these two yes. And download Windows, reinstall Windows from device, yes, we want to reinstall this Windows from this device, and check mark this yes. And after that you just need to click on this confirm option, then you just have to click next here. Then you will get this ready to reset this PC, so just click on reset. Then it will going to preparing to reset your PC and your device is going to restart automatically. So it's going to restart your PC for a couple of times. Then it's going to install the Windows on your PC, so you need to plug it in your computer, and after that you just need to set up your Windows 11 just like you set up for the first time. So that's it guys, this is how you can format your laptop if you want to sell your laptop. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.